Hey kids, how are you? Must be fine. Children, today we will start our next topic, that is polygons. Polygons are any closed shape which is entirely made up of line segments. So children, here in these figures you can see that there are many closed shapes and they are made up of line segments only. So, we have to make closed shapes with the help of line segments to form a polygon. Children, can you imagine that we can form a closed shape with the help of one line segment? I don't think so. Can we form a closed shape with the help of two line segments? Not at all. So the minimum number of line segments required for making a closed shape are 3 line segments. So our first polygon is a triangle. So let us study about triangle in detail. Triangle is the smallest polygon because the minimum number of line segments required for making a closed shape are 3. So triangle is made up of 3 line segments. So triangle has 3 sides and the point where these sides are meeting, these are the vertex or the corners of the triangle. You can see that there are 3 corners of this triangle. If we will add one more side, we will form a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Children, there are many types of quadrilaterals like a square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium and parallelogram. We will study about different types of quadrilaterals in detail. So the first type of quadrilateral is a rectangle. Rectangle is a special quadrilateral because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So it has 2 pairs of opposite sides. These 2 pairs of opposite sides are equal. So there is a pair in which sides are long, opposite sides are equal, and there is another pair of sides which are short and these 2 opposite sides are also equal. In a rectangle, there are 4 corners. These 4 corners are forming 4 angles and all these angles measures 90 degrees. The next type of quadrilateral is a square. A square is a special quadrilateral and what makes it so special is that all 4 sides are equal in a square. And there are 4 corners. At these corners, 4 angles will be formed. These 4 angles are 90-degree angle. We also call them right angle. So children, we have learned about these quadrilaterals. Now in this activity, let us identify that how many of these given shapes are polygons and which is not a polygon here. So let us look at the first shape. First shape is a triangle. Is triangle a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon because it is a closed shape and it is made up of line segments only. Next shape is a circle. Is circle a polygon? I don't think so because circle is not made up of line segments. It is made up of curves. Next shape is a rectangle. Is rectangle a polygon? Yes, of course. Rectangle is a polygon because it is a closed shape and it is made up of 4 line segments. Heart. Is heart a polygon? No, Heart is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. Next shape is a square. Is a square a polygon? Yes, of course. Oval. Oval is not a polygon because it is not made up of line segments. Next shape is a star. Is a star a polygon? Yes, of course. A star is a closed shape and it is made up of line segments only. Next shape is a diamond. Diamond is also a polygon because it is also a closed shape made up of line segments. There are 4 line segments in this shape. And finally we have octagon. Octagon is a closed shape made up of 8 line segments. So this is also a polygon. So children, I hope the concept of polygons is very much clear to you, and now we are going to perform an activity. Please enjoy the activity, and you will also do this activity at your home and send me the picture please. Thank you so much.
Welcome children. Today we are going to perform an activity on the topic polygons. So what we are going to do is to join few polygons to make a pattern. So let us start doing it. For this I am going to show you some polygons. So I have a triangle and some more triangles also. Along with this I have cut out of a square and cut out of some other quadrilateral like a parallelogram. So children, we are going to join these triangles with other polygons to make a pattern or a shape. Let us do it. So children, here please observe that, and what you are going to do in your notebook is to stick them on your notebook. First you will cut out these shapes and you are going to stick it like them. So we are going to keep them on a place where they can form a proper shape. So I am going to join these polygons to make a shape. Let us see what will be formed. See, I am joining them. And now finally this is a parallelogram that I am keeping here. And here is the square. Okay, so can you see this shape children? Look at this shape. Can you identify? Yes, it's a house. So joining these polygons will make a house. Now look at this. This is the shape we have formed by joining different polygons. Children, you are also going to perform the same activity at home, in which you are going to cut out few polygons and try to join them to make any well-defined shape. Thank you so much.